Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're going to show you how to promote high-ticket affiliate products using free traffic sources. Let's dive in. Promoting high-ticket affiliate products can be incredibly rewarding, and you don't need to spend a fortune on ads. Here's a step-by-step guide to using free traffic to boost your sales. Leverage social media. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach your target audience. Join relevant groups, share valuable content, and engage with your followers. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, and podcasts that provide value and attract organic traffic. Focus on solving problems and answering questions related to your high-ticket products. SEO Strategies. Optimize your content for search engines by using targeted keywords, meta tags, and quality backlinks to rank higher and attract more visitors. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering free resources. For more detailed strategies, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.